In this tutorial, I will show you how to work patch tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump on it. So I am here in Photoshop. I am opening mushroom photos I have collected from Pixabay. So patch tool you can access from right clicking here, patch tool, which keyboard shortcut is J. So I am accessing patch tool. You can see here is selection criteria. You can new selection, add to selection, subtract from selection and intersect with the selection. Here is two types of patch mode, normal and content aware. We are now normal. Here is source or destination, transparent, diffusion. Diffusion actually is at feathery substance in the selection. So I am selecting source and normal, and I am selecting this area. So patch tool work only in the current layer. Okay, you should keep in mind that it will not work as like spot healing brush with another layer. It only works with the current layer. So I am selecting with the patch cursor, and so I am replacing it. I am hold and drag it. I need to align the line so that it could align properly. Okay, so I am leave it and see, this is the normal source mode. So I am undoing it and get back in it. So when I am doing destination, you can see it will copy the selection and paste in another. Okay, I think you got the point. This is destination. I am copy this and paste the selection. Okay, so now I am again back to source and transparent. Now I am selecting this area mushroom. So this is normal, source, transparent. When I am dragging this texture to there with the source, you can see this texture applied to this area with the texture with the mushrooms. And diffusion I have already told, this is that feathery part. So I hope you got this normal patch. Another patch is content aware. Content aware only structure, color. If you increase it, it will more darker area it will select. Content aware I am showing you. I am selecting this mushroom with content aware, and here is you can find no source, no destination, no others, only content aware. So I am holding down this and I am in line with align. I am trying to align the source. So this is the content aware patch tool work. So how we can actually improve, enhance or amend the image with the patch tool? Very handy tool, very useful tool. You should use in your any project. So I hope you got the point about patch tool. If this tutorial help you to learn something, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.